Hello my dear students, so welcome to our new lecture. In this particular lecture, we are going to solve some more numericals from chapter number 3, that is current electricity. So to begin with, what is the question? If the length of a conducting wire is 50 centimeter and its radius is 0.5 millimeter, if its resistance is 25 ohm, what is the resistivity of the material? Okay, so in this question we have to find the resistivity of a conducting wire whose length is 50 centimeter. Okay, and the radius of the cross section is given, that is 0.5 millimeter. What we have to find? We have to find the resistivity. So first of all, we will write down the given. So what is given data? Length is given, so length is equals to 50 centimeter. Now this term is given in centimeter. We want to convert the centimeter in its SI unit, that is meter. So 50 centimeter can be written as 50 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, the conversion of centimeter to meter is 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, then the radius is given, it is 0.5 millimeter. Okay, so again we will convert it into meter. So 0.5 millimeter can be written as 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, now we have to find the resistivity. Also the resistance is given, so resistance in the conducting wire is 25 ohm. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the resistivity. So resistivity is equals to question mark. Now we know the formula of resistivity, and what is the formula of resistivity? It is equal to RA upon L, where R is the resistance, A is the area of cross section, and L is the length of conducting wire. Okay, now resistance is 25 ohm into area of cross section. So for any conducting wire, okay, general area of cross section is going to be the area of a circle. Okay, if this is a wire, then the area of cross section, this area will be a circle. So we know the formula for area of a circle, and it is pi r square upon, now upon L, that is equal to 25 into pi into r square. What is r? 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So we can write 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 square upon length is 50 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, now we will simplify it further. So we will get resistivity is equal to, now 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are 50. Okay, what is the value of pi? It is 3.142. Okay, value of pi is 3.142 into 0.5 into 0.5. Okay, and again multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now this 10 raised to minus 2 and from here 10 raised to minus 2 can be cancelled. What we will get then? 10 raised to minus 1 over here. Okay, 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 will be 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, so we will get 3.142 into 0.5 into 0.5. What it will be? 5 square is 25, point after 2 digits, so we will get 0.25. We will get 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 4 upon 2. Okay, so now we will divide 3.142 by 2, so we will get 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 point, 2 fives are 10, 2 sevens are 14, and 2 ones are 2. Okay, so we have got 1.571 into 0.25. So we will multiply it 1.571 into 0.25. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry upside, 5 fives are 25 plus 3 28, 2 carry upside, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay, then 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10, 11, 1 carry, 2 ones are 2, 3. So we got 5, 7, 12, 1 carry, that is 8 plus 1, 9, and 3. Point after 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got the answer 0.39275. So resistivity is 0.39275 into 10 raised to minus 4. This is the resistivity of the given conducting wire. Okay, and the unit is ohm meter. What is the unit? Ohm meter. Okay, so this was the required answer for the given numerical. Let us see one more numerical today. Now what is the question? Determine the resistance of copper wire having a length of 1 kilometer and diameter of 0.5 millimeter. Okay, so again the question is from the resistance part of point of view. Okay, what is given to us that the wire is a copper wire. Okay, जो conducting wire है वो कौन सा है? Copper का है. So we must know the resistivity of copper. The resistivity of copper wire is 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. So this is the resistivity of copper. Okay, then length is given and length is 1 kilometer. What is the length? 1 kilometer. Okay, and the diameter is given 0.5 millimeter. Okay, now first we will convert the kilometer into meter. Okay, and then we will get the diameter which is given in millimeter. We will convert it also into meter. Okay, so 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters. So length is 1000 meter. Okay, and diameter will be 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, so 0.5 millimeter can be written as 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, now we know the formula. Same formula we are going to use, which we have used in the previous numerical. The resistivity is given by Ra upon L. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the resistance. So resistance is equal to resistivity into length upon area. Okay, resistivity into length upon area. The value of resistivity is 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8. Okay, into length is 1000 meters. Okay, upon area. So again the wire will have a circular cross section. So area is going to be pi r square. Now we have been provided with the diameter. Okay, हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? Diameter दिया हुआ है, radius नहीं दिया हुआ है. So we will convert this diameter into radius. So r is equal to क्या होता है? What is r? It is nothing but d by 2. Okay, radius is half of the diameter. So we will take 0.5 divided by 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, and it is, so it is 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters. Okay, 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter is the radius. So we will substitute the value now. So 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, 1000 can be written as 10 raised to 3 upon 3.142 into, what is the radius now? 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 का square. Okay, so it can be written as now 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to minus 8, it will become 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 5, okay, upon 3.142 into 0.25 into 0.25. What it will be? It is going to be, we will multiply 3.142 into 0.25 into 0.25, we will get 1.96. okay, then into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 is nothing but 10 raised to minus 6. okay, so from here 10 raised to minus 5 and from here minus 5 get cancelled, so we get 1.7 upon 1.96 into 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, after solving this we get the resistance is equal to, what is the answer for this particular question? It is 85 ohm. What is the answer? It is 85 ohm. Okay, so the resistance of the copper wire for the given numerical is 85 ohm. Okay, now we have solved two questions in this lecture. You have to write down these two questions in your notebook. Okay, in the next lecture we will solve the numerical related to resistance arranged in parallel and series connection. Okay, until then, goodbye.